Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot notification issues in Trim. Are you not getting your alerts from Trim? Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. First step, check your phone settings. Go to your phone settings and under settings, check notifications. You're going to find the Trim app and make sure notifications are enabled, including banner, sound, and lock screen alerts. Step 2, check Trim app settings. Open the Trim app, tap the menu icon, and then go to Settings, and under Settings, go to Notifications. Make sure your desired alerts like spending updates, subscription changes, or bill reminders are actually turned on. Step 3, ensure background data is on. On Android, you want to make sure Trim is allowed to run in the background and use data. On iOS, confirm that background app refresh is enabled. Step 4, update the app. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Trim, and see if an option for update is available. Bugs causes notification issues and are often fixed in the latest versions. Step 5, log out and log back in. Sometimes a simple refresh helps. Log out of your Trim app and then log back in to reset notification synchronization. Still no luck? Well, tap Help in the Trim app and select Contact Support. Explain the issue and they're going to help you sort it out really quickly. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to integrate Trim with budgeting app. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.